Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to rob the bank in Brookhaven. First, after you spawn, get a car near the grocery store, speed up the car and drive to the bank. You only need one thing in your backpack for this robbery, and I'll tell you about that later. So this is pretty simple. I'll go slow and you can follow along. So the key card is here. It looks like a little mouse icon. Click on it to get the key card, and this is the only way to get it in the game. You can't get it from your backpack. Now this will open the door to the vault. Now go to your inventory and scroll down to the guns. It's right under the second row of guns and tasers. You'll see the C4, which looks like a bomb. Place it right here in the exact spot and then use the bomb remote. There you go. We just got into the bank. Now you can take the money, roleplay, and steal it. Just grab the money. There you go, guys. That's how you rob the Brookhaven bank. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.